Okay, next video that we will show how to replace the power control for this oven. Okay, so firstly we should need to loosen 2 pieces of screw at this place, then moving all the wires out of the connector. Okay, so this one is get replaced one parts. So we need to really set the cable a little bit, maybe like a 6 or 8 inch, and now set the rubber with this hole. Put the wires into this hole. Okay, see. So we can load by this screw with a screwdriver. Okay. And the second one. So this wire should be ready. Then we will set the counter, just put inside. Side by side. Then we're in, then we can move this the power cable, and then here where we have 3 different color of the wire that we need to connect. Okay, the first thing is part for connect the ground, the red, sorry, this is the green cable. So set for the ground, and see here this connector should be have 2 different colors. This is for the red color and this one for the blue colors. So make them the same, connect with okay, make sure it's in place. Then place the one. Okay, so we have finished to connection the wire cable, the line, the blue, and the ground. Then check it or others if you get any the cable out of connect. So we just make sure. Okay, or the cable connect in place. So now we can turn on the oven to try get the casing. After we will cover back these covers with a screw. Connect the power cable and then turn on. Also turn on. That's where you can see is the control, the short light. The first one for setting the temperature, second one for timer. This one, the timer on, then get off. It means it's setting about 380, not temperature. get off. So when we want to change, click this button and up and down. So okay, one more click. Even we want to set the timer, even this the light on, okay, up and down, then okay. So now the timer is working and the heater is working. So this will be set to normal. Okay. Now we'll turn off and alternate. So here, even we are doing the repair, so inside this box will be have the wires. So one thing is very important thing that we should make sure all the cables should be set where and that do not touch, such as this one, do not touch as any connector at the ports like this one and this one. So we may need the type of the tools to be set up is keeping in the wires. Just example for set them well. Okay, and do not touch any of the connector with the parts. After we can cover back, this is the cover for the button.